So I heard that they got some good food.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they got good food.
They got delicious food here. Like, they have a whole little Korean, like, food street.
Yeah.
Yes, everything is absolutely delicious.
Ooh, look at this little tornado thing. This is like a slide. Okay, how do you eat this? It tastes like barbecue chips. Ooh, that is good. Oh my God, that's good. We need to get this at Warner Brothers. Ooh, that's a lot. Why these noodles see-through? Can somebody give me something to eat with? Oh, chopsticks. Now, I don't really know how to use chopsticks either, but let's find out. So we got us some transparent noodles. I can't pick it up. I don't know how to use it. That's too spicy. Yeah, that's gotta be cabbage or something. It's spicy, too hot. Let's try the beef. All right, here we go. Ooh, it's sweet. Okay. I've been waiting for this all day. Ooh, watermelon, I like watermelon, but I don't know what else this is. What is that, beans? What is this white thing? Now this is like some baked beans, and I'd be mad if y'all put some baked beans on this watermelon. That do not go together. People do not put baked beans on watermelon. Let me try it. Ooh, no ma'am. Oh wait, maybe it's a grape. Hold on. Nope, them was beans. Ooh, my spirit. Oh, why is it hard? I gotta stick the whole fork. Ooh, Jesus. Ooh, that is good. What is this? Is this a fruit? Y'all did it with this one, except them beans. Take them beans out, baby. All righty, now I'm hot. I done ate all this good food, and now I need to wash it down. What the hell? What is it? Oh, this is huge. Oh, that's good. What is this? If I drank alcohol, I would put some rum in this.